Tar Heels. Owen Wilhelm. Woo!
Woo! Let's go, Owen!
Come on.
Let's go, Owen! Home run, buddy! Oh, I like the mean face. He's ready.
Let's see what you got. Oh my God.
Mackerel!
That was a smash. That was a smash. You ready? Oh, good hit. Coming at you. You ready? Oh, good hit.
Woo! Nice line drive. Oh! Oh! Deep. Back.
Go.
Oh. Woohoo! Almost got his daddy in the noggin.
Go, run around the bases. Get a home run. Go fast. You better go. Go. All the way around. Go, Owen. Go. Touch third. All the way around. Come home. He's got to go faster. Slide. Oh, he's here.
Safe.
All right, dugout.
Safe.
Dugout. Go hang your bat up.
I didn't hit it.
That was wall ball, wasn't it?
Huh?
Was that wall ball? That might make it. Not today. Oh, God. Get out of here, ball. Get out of here. That's off the... Oh. Let's go.
Go.
Oh. You ready?
I get it all.
Let's go.
Go. Go! Oh, and it's over the fence.
The pop-off pitch.
Okay.
Ready?
Big swing.
Oh!
There it is.
Deep. Get long.
Your ready? Swing ready.
I'm a home run pitcher.
Oh!
Guys,